Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add crawling or moving text like news in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. Open up the CapCut application and import your video. In the timeline, now click on the text button, then default text and click drag and drop. Keep the text same length as our clip. Now let's copy some random text. You can copy it from wherever you want. Then go to the right side. Remove the previous text and insert the new one. Scale down the size, scroll up. You can choose the font whatever you want. Now scroll down again, give it a background color so we can read easily. Go for the red like news. Left click on the text, drag it to the right side and try to get to the start of the text. Scroll down, scale it down or scale up a little bit, whatever suits for you. Now you can play with these things, highlight, width. Now position the text properly. Suppose this will be our start position. Move the playhead to the first frame. Scroll up and tap on this animation. Make the first keyframe for the position, and now just simply go for the last frame. Make second keyframe. Now left click and hold. Move the text and try to get to the end of the text. So this is our ending. Now copy this Y value, then click on the back arrow to move the first frame like this. Paste the Y value and you are good to go. Now if you play the video, you can see our text is crawling like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.